morning. That's a doggy. Yeah, that's a nice doggy. Don't you worry about that doggy. Bye-bye, sweetie pie. Almost done. Whoops. Almost done. Almost done. This is the back, the underside of the mass of fur that Tequila got all by herself. As you can see, it's quite solid. It's quite hard, and it's definitely a solid thing, you know. It's not furry at all like the other side. Not softer part, it's not furry. It's just very hard. And then this part here, this is the part that had been caught. This wants to turn counterclockwise. There. This part here, ooh, I can't seem to get it away from it. Well, let's just move the whole thing. There you go. This part here is the part that was hanging onto her. I need to find this. This part here is the part there that was attached to her leg. She was dragging this big piece, this big solid matted piece, which you can see, I hope, clearly now. She was carrying this big solid matted piece. She was dragging it actually around for days, and I was hoping that she would not flick it off in the bushes. There we go. There it is. And that's a wrap. Tequila, up here. That's a girl. I'm taking a picture of you because you're so beautiful. You have the most beautiful green eyes I've ever seen. So what can I do to get your attention? Beep 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 beep. Well, I guess you're tired of this, right? Love you.